my homegirl hooked me up, y'all. I wanted the factory looking like the font for the Monte Carlo SS. I guess it's a patent on it, so she couldn't really find the exact one, but this is damn close, man. She hooked me up. So I'm gonna also have some decals coming for my windshield, and my front windshield and my back window as well. But shout out to my homegirl, Glorious Hustle. Family stuff, man. Like, she been found for a minute and she done started her business now. This is the first thing I ordered from her, but my family, they have t-shirts and hoodies and everything like that. She does tumblers, she do all kind of stuff. But this is what it's gonna look like, y'all. This just a little before. I'm gonna take this off and attempt to install it, and you know, I gotta clean everything up real good as well. So I just had that up there just so you can see what it looked like. I'm gonna wipe this thing down, degrease it. By the way, this is my radiator cover. I got this off Dixie Restoration Depot. So if y'all in the market for one of these, you can go grab it from Dixie. A lot of people always ask me where I get stuff from, and I always see posts of, hey, where you get this from, where you get that from. Like, man, if you own a Gbody, Monte Carlo, Cutlass, whatever, like, you should know, what is it? Dixie Restoration Depot, Mike's Money's, GBodyParts.com. All of those are good places to get stuff. I'm gonna let that air dry. All right, so it's dry and we all cleaned up. So we're gonna go with this first half here. Hopefully I don't mess this up, because I never did this before. But she told me to just one of these pieces. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. No, it's right. It don't. I don't know why that came off like that. But just gotta make sure I put it where I wanted it. I think she said once I stick it down, like, that's it. So that's about where I wanted that. And I'm gonna do the other half. Make sure that came off here. Probably should have kind of measured this first, but yeah, it might be a little crooked. But guess what? It's gonna be just fine. Took me a little old gift card and flatten it out. feel like it might be a little off, but I ain't tripping. It's gonna be under the hood anyway. The other ones I do, I'll probably just get her to install them. But get a little closer. This is what we looking like. This is what we looking like, y'all. This is what we looking like. 87 SS boy. Y'all see it. Yeah, so I had some issues. I got ready to pull up this transfer paper. And it's pulling the logo up. So it's always some shit, man. I'm not used to doing stuff like this, but I had to go to YouTube and figure it out. Apparently this strong grip transfer paper is some bullshit. It's like definitely too strong. So when I try to pull this up, it's not leaving the decal on my material here. It's trying to pull the whole decal up. So I got my little heat gun. I'm gonna warm it up just a little bit and see if I can get this transfer paper to come apart from the decal. I'm not gonna use the highest setting. I just wanna warm it up just a little bit. And what I'll do, I'll probably just start with this logo here. You always wanna keep it moving. I guess we'll start with the first half. So we wanna keep this heat moving. You don't want to melt anything. Like I said, I've never done this before, so don't really know if it's going to work. Yeah, see, as y'all can see, this is, when I pull this up, that red is supposed to stay stuck, but it's not. So I really don't know what else to do. I may have to get my homegirl to make me another one and put it on the regular paper. But we shall see. I know when my wife was into this stuff, she actually had an issue with this transfer tape as well. But I didn't notice it until I got ready to pull the thing off and it won't come off. Let's see what happens now. So it's trying to stick in some places. Well, in one place. Let's see what we can do here. See, it's trying to stick. Yeah. I don't know what to do. And I don't want to melt it, so I really don't know what to do. I'm gonna just keep at it, and then when I come back, I'll let y'all know what actually worked for me. Hey, what up, y'all? I'm back with it with this this decal for the radiator cover, man. So we used the wrong transfer paper. My homegirl, she was trying out some new transfer paper, and somebody told her it was better, or whatever the case may be. I hit her up about my issue, and come to find out she was having the same issue with some stuff she was trying to make. So we come to the conclusion that that was some bullshit. So she made me another decal on the normal transfer paper, and we got that put on. I thought I was just doing some dumb shit, like didn't know what I was doing. It ain't that hard. You just put it down, you wipe it with a card or whatever, and then you peel the paper off. I had got ahead of myself, so I didn't get it on video from when I actually put it on, installed it. It is installed now, but I'm gonna go ahead and show it to y'all, see what it looked like. So this is what it looks like. 87 SS Boy. Yes, sir. Came out really well. And like I said, this is the radiator cover, which is going to go right here. Great look. Definitely a good look. So yeah, anyway, man, we got that thing on there. It looks real good, and you know, just give it a little bit of myself under the hood, like, you know what I'm saying, instead of putting SS Monte Carlo or whatever, I just decided to use as close to the front as I could, and use my own decal. Try to put my own twist into this stuff, man. I don't want the same thing that the next person got, so just little things to change it up a little bit, and I think that's a good look. So we're gonna keep that going, and she's also gonna make me make me a couple t-shirts, and she's gonna make me some decals for my windshield and my rear window, to promote YouTube and TikTok and my Instagram. All of those are the same, 87 SS Boy. So if y'all are not following me on Instagram or TikTok, y'all follow me on there, 87 SS Boy. It'll pop up. And if you're just now watching this video for the first time or whatever, just now finding me, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. I'm gonna be posting videos as much as I can. Hopefully at least, you know, 1 or 2 videos a week. Like I said, I'm pretty busy, but when I have a chance to come outside and work on the car, I'll be sure to try to get videos of what I'm doing and keep everybody updated. We almost at 1,000 followers, y'all. I'm at 968. So let's get this to 1,000 followers, man. If you like what you see, you know what I'm saying, like, share, comment, you know, let your friends know. I know if y'all in the Gbodies or in the old schools or whatever, I know your friends into it too. Friends or family members, kids, wives, whatever the case may be, man. Y'all put them on and y'all show a little support, man. Let's get us to 1,000 followers in here, or 1,000 subscribers. But yeah, so that's what we got going on over here today. Just a little small video just to show, you know, my fuck ups with this decal, and then I finally got it right. But like I said, it wasn't my fault at the end of the day, but it came out great, and I really appreciate her. And y'all get at her. I'm gonna put her info in the description. Glorious Hustle. She does t-shirts, she do tumblers, she do, as you can see, the decals for the windows or whatever decal you may need to stick wherever you want to. Y'all hit her up, man. Glorious Hustle. Like I said, I'm gonna post it in the description. But anyway, man, hey, thank y'all for checking me out. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm out.